is the effect of social media on advertising? To begin with, the utilization of social media is so high and individuals utilize different social media stages in a given day. Along these lines, it is very much significant for the brands to utilize social media showcasing as one of their essential promoting methodologies to arrive at their focus on clients. To arrive at their focus on clients, changing over them into clients, continue to exit clients brand faithful, take care of their issues with the item, answer their question, and the sky is the limit from there. That is one of the explanations. Social media advertising is one of the territories where organizations are contributing at this point. Social media comes to and associates with focused crowds which were never conceivable. Likewise, social media expands social traffic to your site. It has an influence in improving your SEO positioning. Now, brand authority causes you to comprehend the conduct of your clients, construct relationships with them, improve deals and the leads, make you an expert in your market. And in the event that you need one more explanation, your rivals are as of now going through a descent, the measure of cash, attempting to be the market chief. Now, if you want to become such kind of social media marketer, be with us. We Delhi Institute of Digital Marketing provides you the best digital marketing course across Pan India. To contact us, you can dial up the number 8800505151 or visit our website www.dirm.in.